Hello, my name is ดาวเรือง Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's good to see you. I am so happy to see you again. How are you? What have you been up to? How is everything going? Thank you. How about you? How do you do? Goodbye. It was nice to meet you. Good night. Take care. See you later. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much for about every day. I am sorry I am get to go. Have a good day. My name is ดาวเรือง You can call me ดาว Pleased to meet you. I am ดาว I live in ฉะเชิงเทรา I come from Thailand. I am 48 years old. Thank you.